सो श्वेता, आप लोगों को बैच में तो हो गया होगा आई थिंक मैथ्स कंप्लीट.
Yes, sir.
हु इज योर फैकल्टी?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm not for math class, only for
So,
science.
so you are not doing, you are doing only science classes, dear.
Yes, sir. But I'm giving math exams,
Okay, okay.
test.
So basically for the practice test. No worries, dear. No worries. Okay, dear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Summer and all remaining students are mine. I know. Summer and Adil and Karishma are maths students as well. Okay. So देखते हैं, वेट करते हैं पाँच पाँच नहीं 2 मिनट और वेट करते हैं. देन विदाउट एनी डिले हम लोग स्टार्ट कर देंगे क्लास. एंड आज हम लोग हाइपरमेट्रोपिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ आइडन कर देंगे, ठीक है. I will try
Yes, sir.
to take
Yes,
the
sir.
dispersion in this class as well. Dispersion is nothing but theoretical chapter है. टॉपिक है बेसिकली डिस्पर्जन, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ लाइट, नथिंग बट स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ लाइट. प्रिज्म रख दो आप एक व्हाइट लाइट के आगे, 7 लाइट स्प्लिट हो जाती हैं आपकी, जो आपका रेनबो होता है, वेब गयर. बस उसी में ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं होता स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ लाइट में, बस यही होता है कि अगर आप एक प्रिज्म रख दिया आपने, व्हाइट लाइट उस पे इंसिडेंट हुई तो स्प्लिट हो जाएगी वो. अगेन आपने अगर प्रिज्म उल्टा करके रख दिया तो अगर जब वो 7 कलर्स हैं, दैट विल मर्ज अगेन एंड द व्हाइट लाइट विल कम एज द आउटपुट. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ लाइट. फिर उसके बाद हमारा फिर हमारा ये आ जाता है एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन. तो एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन में क्या होता है आपका, हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है इट हैज़ डेंसर एंड रेयरर लेयर्स एंड द लेवल्स. क्योंकि हमारी जो एटमॉस्फेरिक लेयर है, फिर उसके बाद ऊपर टॉप में ये बेसिकली हमारे पास टोपोस्फेयर है, टोपोस्फेयर में स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर है, ये सब चीज़ें आती हैं. तो इनमें भी अलग अलग डेंसिटीज होती है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द डेंसिटीज, तो यहाँ पे हमारी लाइट रिफ्रैक्ट करती है. जब लाइट ट्रैवल करती है ना हमारे बेसिकली आपके यू कैन से एटमॉस्फेयर में, सो इट रिफ्रैक्ट्स एज वेल. सो इट्स गिव्स यू दी different phenomena like delayed sunset and advanced sunrise and the twinkling of stars, and because and the star seems higher than the actually are, or why the planets do not twinkle. So these are the things. सो ये ज़्यादा था मेरा थ्योरेटिकल टॉपिक है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज इसमें चैप्टर में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ डीप में नहीं आता, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आता है. हेलो हिबा, हाउ आर यू? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. हेलो अब्दुल्ला, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum salam, sir. How are you?
कैसे हो आप?
Walaikum
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
salam, sir.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
That's
अच्छा
actually.
लग रहा है. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हबीबी. हाँ अब्दुल्ला. हाँ.
जी
पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर रहे हो या नहीं, ये बताओ आप.
जी जी।
जी 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 तो कर रहे हो आप, पढ़ाई की मैंने पूछा, पढ़ाई हो रही है नहीं?
हाँ जी, हो रही है।
हाँ जी हो रही है. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट वी
कल
हैव
बायो
वेटेड.
करा था मैं रात में।
बायो भी करो, मैथ्स भी करो बच्चे, मैथ्स भी आपका बहुत वीक है. यू
जी
हैव टू डू.
जी।
ठीक है. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास विदाउट एनी डिले. करें स्टार्ट. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली हम लोग इन द लास्ट क्लास व्हाट वी वर डूइंग द मायोपिया. So I've told you that what is myopia. Myopia is due to, basically the we are not able to see the distant object clearly. Clear everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are not able
Yes,
to
sir.
see the distant object clearly. What happens is that basically suppose this thing, let's these are the ray diagram. Let me write that down. So these are very important. There can be a 5 marker. Explain, define myopia, draw its ray diagram, and suggest some method to resolve which lens should be used. So these kinds of the question will be there. So ray diagram, it is very important. सो रे डायग्राम वही है जो हम लोगों ने लाइट चैप्टर में किया था. सपोज करो ये आपकी आई बॉल है, ठीक है. जस्ट ये आपकी आई बॉल है, ठीक है, और इसका एक पार्ट है ये आपका लेंस, ठीक है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ट्राई कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा एक्यूरेट ही रहे ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए. लग रहा है ना आई बॉल? हाँ लग रहा है. ठीक है. तो सपोज करो आपकी लाइट रे आ रही है पैरेलली फ्रॉम द इंफिनिटी, ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपन इज दैट सपोज ठीक है.
बेटर।
हाँ. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ यहाँ पे मर्ज, बेसिकली यहाँ पे इमेज बननी चाहिए रेटिना पे, यहाँ पे क्या रेटिना होता है आपका, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट इट बेसिकली कन्वर्जेस अर्लियर. क्लियर है? जस्ट like this. Clear? That what's happened in the myopic eye. That's why you're not able to see the object clearly. Clear है? So this is a kind of screen that is, आप समझ लो यहाँ पे आपकी image form हो रही है. Actually कहाँ form होनी चाहिए थी? At the retina, but it's forming some just basically uh, before the retina. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Clear है?
Yes, sir.
या सो देखो, थोड़ा सा मैं डायग्राम को इसलिए बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि देखो आपके लिए ही बेटर होगा ये, तो थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना आप लोग. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज द मायोपिक आई. पैरेलल रेज फ्रॉम डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. Parallel rays from please mute yourself. Distant objects, I think it's okay. Okay, parallel rays coming from the distant objects, and this is the retina. Basically this is the retina, this point is retina. Okay, this is the retina and the image form in front of the retina. So image is formed here instead of there, it's forming in front of the retina. Okay, so you will write image is formed in front of retina. Clear है? So this is a myopic eye. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So this is the first diagram. So how you will basically, what should be the actual basically what happens is that your basically the far point has been shifted here. Yes or no? Just above basically just towards the near point. So what has happened is that, just see this thing, your eye. Okay, so what happens is that this is the, let me draw the lens of this eye. Like this. Okay, so this is the actual far point of this eye. Be just clear है? So this is the
Yes, sir.
actual image on the basically on the retina. Clear? Yeah. So this is the eye. Image is formed on the retina. This is eye. Clear everybody?
Yes,
ठीक है?
sir.
And this is the f far point of the myopic eye. ठीक है? Far point of this eye. So you can see this thing, the far point has been shifted towards the near point. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And this is the B part, far point. F myopic eye is less than infinity. Clear?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
So this is the basically how you will how the myopic eye can be basically gets treated. So what you will do is that you will, this is the eye. So in front of eye, what you will do is that you will place a concave lens, because your lens, concave lens is a diverging lens. So your eye is basically more converging. You know, na, your eyes is getting the focal length of the basically the eye lens becomes less short. Clear? So because of that, you have to be a little bit more, you have to use a lens which diverges the lens, and then it will converges to the eye lens, and then the image will be formed on the retina. So what will happen is that, just a second. So 2 सेकंड दो आप. तो आप यहाँ पे इसके आगे जो ना ये प्लेस कर देंगे. This is the concave lens in front of the eye. So what will happen, everybody? So it will diverge the coming rays to an extent. Yes or no? So
Yes,
it
sir.
now at if the rays is here, if the parallel ray is coming here, okay. So what will happen? So it will diverge this ray a little bit like this. Okay. And the actual and the image is formed on the retina like this. देखो, clear है? So like this is the actual representation of the myopic eye. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
and the basically if you basically take this is the basically and this is the eye lens. Basically this is the actual far point of this eye. Clear? Okay, now you can see this thing. This is the actual, once you have used the concave lens, this is the actual, your fire point has been dissolved, and this is the basically before the treatment. Okay, correction of myopic eye. This is the F, parallel rays. Parallel rays, and this is the image formed on the retina. क्लियर है? और ये concave lens आपने यूज किया to correct the myopic eye. Myopic eye. Clear है?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the virtual image is formed of this. Okay, image formed at F. So this is the actual correction of the myopic eye. I hope this is clear to everybody. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? No doubt. So first is used. So concave lens is used. Used to correct the myopic eye. Clear? And the we have the whole purpose to use this is to decrease the converging, basically decrease the converging power. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
The whole purpose of using a concave lens is to reduce the converging power. Clear, everybody? Okay, so these are the 2 points related to myopic eye, and this is the as you can see this thing from the start. So you have to write the definition first for the 5 marker, then you have to write the defects. How does it basically happen due to high converging power of eye lens, and then due to eyeball being too long, and you have to make a ray diagram. Then you have to tell that this is the actual far point of this eye, but you can basically correct this myopic eye using a concave lens. Okay, and then this is a virtual image formed because concave lens formed a virtual image. Yes or no? Because these rays will be get extended in the backwards to meet at a point. Yes or no? When you basically the
Yes, sir.
concave lens is used when the parallel light rays incident on the concave lens, the image is formed at the focus. Virtual image, diminished image. Yes or no? Clear है? Everybody,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
all of you? Any doubt till now? So this is a 5 marker question. Clear? and there are very high chances that question can be there from this directly straightforward from the human eye. Okay, is this clear? So this is all about the human eye, well, basically myopic eye. Clear? We will do the numerical like mixture of numericals once we will done the theory part of this topic. Clear? Second is hypermetropia. Let's do this one. Hypermetropia. So hypermetropia is nothing but it is the opposite of myopic eye. In the hypermetropia, you are not able to see the nearby objects clearly. Clear? Long sightedness or farsightedness. Clear? Hai? So hypermetropia is a defect in which defect of vision basically due to which a person cannot see the nearby objects clearly. ठीक है? Clearly, so he can see the far objects clearly. ठीक है? Any doubt? Anybody? So
No, sir.
No,
the
sir.
ठीक है? So the near point of the hypermetropic eye is more than 25 centimeter. Clear है? The far point has been shifted towards the infinity. It has gone a little bit more further away. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Of a
Yes, sir.
hypermetropic eye is more than 25 centimeter away. Okay, so this is the hypermetropic eye near point. And why it is happening? Because of the your eyeball becomes short. The defect of eye called hypermetropia is caused. Yeah. First reason is that you're due to low converging power of the lens. Basically, the converging power of lens is reduced due to converging power of. Clear? And the second reason is due to eyeball become short. Sometimes eyeball is very short. It can be natural or because of some disease or any defect. So it can happen. Is too short. Clear everybody? Yes or no? जल्दी से बताओ. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk about the ray diagram. ठीक है, रे डायग्राम की बात करते हैं. सो रे डायग्राम में देखो, सो दिस इज एन आई, नॉर्मल आई. ठीक है, और नॉर्मल आई में क्या होता है बेसिकली आपकी तो लेंस होता है एट योर लेंस, द पावर ऑफ लेंस हैज बीन रिड्यूस्ड, so like this, ठीक है. So yeah, so the image is formed beyond the retina. Like this. Clear everybody? Yes or no? So this is the hypermetropic eye. Sorry. I just made one mistake. The near point. The object is at near point. Na? The near object is not seen clearly. Like this. Okay. Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
So this is the near point has been basically moved far away from the actual near point. So this is the screen. Suppose करो ये this is a screen. ये आपकी यहाँ पे screen बन रही है. ठीक है. So इसको आपकी this is your image. Image formed in front behind the retina. Behind the retina. ठीक है. And this is point O. You can say nearby object कह सकते हो आप. ठीक है. Diverging rays from nearby object. ये नियरबाई ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका O. ठीक है. And this is the 25 centimeter distance between the eye. ठीक है. So this is 25 centimeter. ठीक है. This is the 25 centimeter distance. But object basically placed at 25 centimeter is not clearly visible due to the basically low focal length. Yes or no? So this is the a hypermetropic eye. I hope it's clear to everybody. Please let me know जल्दी से. So आपको भी इतना ही नीट एंड क्लीन डायग्राम बनाना है. अभी तो मैं रफ हैंड से बना रहा हूँ. सो इट कैन बी मोर इम्प्रोवाइज अ लिटिल बिट. सो आप जब अपने रफ हैंड्स बेसिकली स्केल वगैरह एंड सारी चीजें यूज करोगे प्रॉपरली तो ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा डायग्राम बन के आएगा. मैं थोड़ा सा रफ हैंड यूज कर रहा हूँ तो फिर भी इट इज नॉट दैट मच गुड. ठीक है. सेकेंड पार्ट में आपको क्या होगा बेसिकली एक्चुअली आपको एक अब बेसिकली आपको दिखाना यू हैव टू शो कि आपका एक्चुअल इज योर यू कैन से near point is shifted towards the infinity. Clear है. ठीक है. Clear everybody? yes or no बोलो तो यार. क्या वो समझ
Yes,
नहीं आ रहा है क्या? समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आप लोगों को? पहले ये बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Is everybody
Yes, sir.
getting my point? yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है. चलो. ज्यादा टफ नहीं है. देखो ये सब चीजें तो हमने लाइट चैप्टर में ऑलरेडी की हुई हैं. समर बच्चे आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
yes, sir.
ठीक है. वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज द एक्चुअल इमेज फॉर्मिंग हियर. सो यहाँ पे आपकी ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपकी रेटिना परफॉर्म हुई है इमेज. इमेजेस फॉर्म्ड एट रेटिना, क्लियर है। सो ये आपकी जो डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट है ये मोर देन 25 सेंटीमीटर है, ठीक है। दिस इज मोर देन 25 सेंटीमीटर। This is more than 25 centimeter and this is the near point n dash. This is the n dash basically जहाँ पे आपको clearly visible है, ठीक है। ठीक है, ये आपके आई का सपो एंड दिस इज योर एक्चुअल नियर पॉइंट की आपका जो नॉर्मल नियर पॉइंट होना चाहिए था वो समवेयर हियर होना चाहिए था एन, ठीक है। क्लियर है, यस और नो बोलो। सो दिस इज बी पार्ट,
Yes, sir.
द नियर पॉइंट ऑफ the near point n dash of hypermetropic eye is further away from 25 centimeter away from the, ठीक है। सो ये आपका बी पॉइंट हो गया। नेक्स्ट इज आप इसको कैसे बेसिकली वो करोगे आप इसको, यू कैन से ये आपकी आई हो गई, ठीक है। अब इसमें आपको क्या करना होगा, आपका मायोपिक आई में तो आपका क्या यूज हुआ था, व्हाट यू हैव यूज्ड।
Convex.
सो इसमें आप यूज करेंगे कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, वेरी गुड। सो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस विल बी प्लेस्ड हियर, ठीक है, लाइक दिस, ठीक है। सो सो यहाँ पे आपका पॉइंट है ये पॉइंट है आपका, यहाँ से आपकी रे, so it will basically helps to converge the rays at to a little bit more extent, so this will, ठीक है। ठीक है, ऐसे होगा आपका ये फॉर्म। गॉट इट एवरीबडी, इस टाइप से ये फॉर्म होगा।
Yes.
आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीबडी। कोई डाउट है इसमें,
No, sir. No, sir.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है अच्छे से,
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड। दिस इज द बेसिकली जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ये आपका नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट है दैट इज एन, ठीक है। नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका ये आपका लेंस है, ठीक है। और ये आपका कन्वेक्स लेंस बेसिकली, यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे कन्वेक्स लेंस used to correct hypermetropia, क्लियर है, बोलो। और आपकी यहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है, ठीक है। सब व्हाई इज एवरीबॉडी साइलेंट, समझ में आया नहीं, बताओ आप।
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
images formed at retina. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे आपकी जो ना एक वर्चुअल इमेज भी फॉर्म होगी, क्योंकि ये जो बेसिकली आपका लेंस है, ये ये आपकी कुछ यहाँ पे ये डैश पे फॉर्म होगी। ठीक है, क्योंकि जो आपका जो पोजीशन है दैट इज बिटवीन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड दी फोकल लेंथ। सो आपका ये एक केस होता है कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में, आपको याद होगा, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और फोकल लेंथ के बीच में अगर रखे रहता है आपका लेंस, तो आपकी वर्चुअल इमेज क्रिएट होती है, यस और नो? याद है किसी को या नहीं, सब भूल गए?
Yes, sir.
एंड डैश, ठीक है, वर्चुअल इमेज एट ठीक है, ये आपके 3 केसेस होते हैं एक रे डायग्राम में। ठीक है, करेक्शन ऑफ मायो हाइपरमेट्रोपिया। So I've tried to draw the diagram as neat, as clean as possible. So I hope you got my point. Yes or no, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
so this is the hypermetropic eye correction here. So the next is let me write this thing one thing. Just a moment, let me write the thing. So convex lens is used, yes or no? Is used to correct the myopic eye or hypermetropic eye. ठीक है, सेकंड होता है आपका, जस्ट अ सेकंड, हाँ, सेकंड होता है आपका द होल रीजन इज टू इंक्रीज द फोकल लेंथ। क्लियर? द होल पर्पस क्लियर है एवरीबडी?
Yes, sir.
द होल
Yes.
पर्पस is to whole purpose to use convex lens is to increase the, just a second, okay, so is to increase the, sorry for the interruption everybody, is to increase the focal length, the converging power or focal length you can say. Converging power of eye lens. Okay, got it everybody, yes or no? Please tell me. बोलो,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
ठीक है, okay, so let's this is all about the hypermetropic and myopic eyes. Let's talk about the third one, that is presbyopic. So presbyopic में, presbyopia में आपकी only definition है, okay? Only definition is there, presbyopia. Presbyopia is a defect of vision, due to which and an old person cannot see the nearby objects clearly, as well as the objects due to loss, just a second, due to loss of accommodation, power of accommodation, of the eye. Of the eye. Clear everybody? And नियर पॉइंट जो होता है इसका वो शिफ्ट हो जाता है टुवर्ड्स द इंफिनिटी. The near point of the old person having presbyopia gradually recedes and become much more than the 25 centimeter. Clear है? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so basically this can be basically this defect can be corrected by having bifocal lenses. Bifocal means the spectacles having both convex and concave. So this is the bifocal lens. You can see it is written here that the concave lens is used for the distant or seeing the distant object clearly. Okay, this lens, and the lower lens is used for the reading to see the nearby objects clearly. Got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more defect in an eye is cataract. Okay. Cataract is a kind of defect in which basically the cornea of the eyes become milky. Clear? Cataract. देखा होगा आपने ये चीज सीनियर सिटीजन्स में होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द एज. देखा है आपने किसी के क्रिटिकल कंडीशन
No,
मिल्की हो
sir.
जाती है वाइट बेसिकली आपका जो आईलेंस होता है इट बिकम्स वाइट. द मेडिकल कंडीशन इन विच lens of an eye is an eye of a person becomes cloudy, progressively cloudy, resulting in a blurred vision. Blurred vision, ठीक है. is called cataract. Only the definition is there, ठीक है? So cataract का basically वो होता है एक ऑपरेशन प्रॉपर सर्जरी होती है, ठीक है? So it is not there कि cataract कैसे होता है, क्यों होता है, it's not the part of your syllabus. Only the definition is there. Okay? Yes or no बोलो, everybody clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have 9 minutes, so we can do the numericals, and this topic will be done only the dispersion of light. So I think I will schedule the one more class on the Wednesday. Okay, so we'll try to cover the topic in that class itself. Okay, got it everybody? ठीक है, सो ये चैप्टर ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, बस ये टॉपिक आपका, ये मेन टॉपिक दो होते हैं, डिस्पर्जन ऑफ लाइट और ये आपका डिस्पर्जन एटमॉस्फेरिक को मिला लो और आपका डिफरेंट ऑफ आई के बराबर होता है, वो जितना भी हमने पढ़ा है उतना ही और बाकी है, बस समझ, जस्ट अज्यूम दिस थिंग, इतना ही है, ठीक है? लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन इज द फार पॉइंट ऑफ अ मायोपिक आई इज 80 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है? फार पॉइंट, व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू, बोलो? The far point of a myopic eye is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? Yes, everybody, please tell me. Which lens should be used?
Concave.
Concave. Okay, so now what is 80 here? Is this image distance? Is this basically object distance? Bolo, everybody. So basically, see this thing that the far point of a myopic eye, it means that at 80 centimeter image is formed. Yes or no? If you are seeing an object at which it is placed, it means जहाँ पे भी image जहाँ पे भी object रखा है, and if you are able to see that, it means that the image that will be the image distance from the eye. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Basically, okay, got it. Hiba, Adil, Samina, Kiran, Karishma, Abdullah, Samar,
Yes, sir.
Shweta. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
So this is basically the V. The question is far point. It means that far point is nothing but, so basically U is equals to minus of infinity, sorry, not minus, it's only infinity लिख लेते हैं क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन बराबर, ठीक है? एंड V is equals to minus of 80 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि I के उसी साइड बन रही है आपकी इमेज, क्लियर है? On the same side, and focal length we have to find out, ठीक है? So let's find it out using a mirror formula, the lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by f is equals to minus 1 by 80 minus of 1 by infinity. Basically the ratio of 1 by infinity is equals to 0. Okay, always remember this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is left is 1 by f is equals to 1 minus 1 by 80, so f is coming out to be minus of 80 centimeter. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
So the focal length is negative, it means that the required length, so basically you will write concave lens is used to correct myopic eye focal length minus 80 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus 80 centimeter. And next is we have to identify the power of the lens as well. So power of the lens is nothing but if you're writing 1 by f, so it should be in meters, or power is equals to 100 by f, it should be in centimeter. So we have, you can convert or you can directly use this, answer will be same. So I'll be using the same. So power is equals to basically 100 divided by minus 80. So it's cancelled. So it will give you the answer as minus 1.25. What is the SI unit of power? Tell me. What is the SI unit of power of a lens?
Diopter.
Diopter. Very good. Diopter. Very good. So this is the answer. Clear? Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, ठीक है. Let's do the question based on the hypermetropic eye. Okay. So same kinds of question will be there. So this is the question. It's the NCERT book question itself. This is asking the correct. Basically the near point of a hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. So you have to identify what is 1 meter here. Tell me. And the normal point or near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. So basically, if the question is given that near point is hypermetropic eye is 1 meter, it means that the image is forming at 1 meter. The object is placed at 25 centimeter. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Solution, you have to,
Yes, sir.
u is minus of 25 centimeter. V is equals to minus 1 meter. That is equals to minus of 100 centimeter. Clear? You have to identify F. What is F? Okay. So you will write 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus K 1 by U. Just put the values. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V is minus K 1 by 100 minus of minus 1 by 25. So it's coming out to be minus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 25. Just cross multiply them. So cross multiply में क्या होता है? This 25 will get multiplied this negative 1, 100 will get multiplied this positive 1, and the denominator will get multiplied by themselves. Minus 25 plus 100 divided by 25 into 100. So what is left? 75 by 100, 25 into 100. 3 times cancel हो जाएगा. So what will be? F will be equals to 100 by 3 centimeter. So you can see this thing, the focal length of the lens is coming out to be positive. It means that the convex lens is used. Convex. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Will be used. Convex lens of focal length. Hundred by 3 centimeter will be used to correct hypermetropia of this eye. Okay. So you have to find out the power. So power is equals to 100 by F, but F should be in centimeters. So F is 100 divided by 100 divided by 3. So this 3 will go in the numerator because it's a double division. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
This 100 will cancel. So this is positive of 3 diopter. Okay. So this is the answer. I hope this is clear to you, all of you. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anybody?
No,
Please let
sir.
me know once.
No,
Sure?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the all about the defect of visions. So in the next class, we will be doing the dispersion of light and the basically atmospheric refraction, the only topic left. Okay. So in the next coming class, I hope, because dispersion of topic only is of 10 minutes is the topic of 10 minutes only, not more than that. ठीक है. डिस्पर्जन ऑफ लाइट के बाद हमारा डायरेक्टली बेसिकली आपका ये स्टार्ट हो जाता है एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's all for this class then, and thank you so much for joining me. Till then, bye bye, take care. Allah Hafiz from all of you. ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye
sir.
bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.